Hello guys, today we are going to learning about pandas. We know about them. In this video, we have to learn how to set columns and student record. So let's get started into our video. First things first, we need to open our Visual Studio Code and then go to this Explorer section, and we have created this pandas file in part 1. So we are created in part 2. Here is the data of, here is this value section called, we have to cut this value section we have created in part 2. So here is this NN section, students all IDs NNDF. It is default, and we have to see these data types of the columns. We have to write here print data types /n data types equals to /n new line first to end new line, and comma it df. Here is the section called df, and another we have to add it dot d types. Here is the d type section. We have to add this here, and then we have to enter here and write another code for call in df print full columns. It is not cool. Here is the columns, and then we have to select the data and run this data. So we have to see this data here. Here is this data type student role ID row A. Here is this default row A, and we have to set this row A to student 1, student 2, student 3, student 4. So student 1, student 2, student 3, student 4. And we have to run this another time of this code. Select this, and we have to see this here. I have to clear to see, so I have to cross this panel and create a new panel. So here is this section, terminal, new terminal. I have to see this clear. You can also see and select this data and run again. Here is our data called student 1 Rakib role ID, student 2 Ahmed role. Here is this data types, student objects role integer 64 and ID integer 64. D types, DF types means data frames types, object student role ID. We have to see this here, student role ID. Here is this data frame of this called we have created in part 2. This is my video. If you like my video, so subscribe my video and support my channel. Part 4 is coming. Assalamualaikum.